Thank you. Another state agency is no longer allowing trans Texans to change their sex on a government form. Now the Department of State Health Services says it will no longer accept court orders to let people change their sex on their birth certificate. This comes just after DPS stopped accepting those court orders for people to change the sex on their driver's license last month. In a statement to KVUE, a spokesperson for DSHS wrote, quote, "Recent public reports have highlighted concern about the validity of court orders purporting to amend sex for purposes of state-issued documents. DSHS is no longer altering an applicant's sex on birth certificates based on these court orders," end quote. They also told us they're seeking guidance from the Attorney General's office about this rule going forward. The health agency still lets people request a birth certificate change based on sex to correct an error or inaccuracy if they have a record or letter from a hospital saying they need to fix it. Earlier today, KVUE's Jenny Lee spoke with the American Civil Liberties Union about what this policy change means for trans Texans.
The fact that there has been no process for this around the public, there was no public notice, there was no chance for the public to testify on this or have their voices heard around this.
Now, DSHS also told us if the policy changes again to allow those court orders, anyone who'd applied for a change on a birth certificate before will have to reapply.